I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. So listen, I know today's my usual day, but I've weighed so many different times and talked about it so much, but today's the actually official day. I want to show you. I've already looked, and I'm going to just look. It's working, you guys. It is working. I'm so excited. I just can't stand it. Meat and veggies for the win. But now, please know my meat portions are smaller than they were. But, that's me patting my belly. I'm so excited. Okay, I got to get in the shower because I'm poo-tinky. Hot dog. Go, Terri. Go, Terri. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hey, good morning. Boy, that was some exciting thing to see for me. Hot diggity dog. Oh, they got like a little basket over there. Looks like a little Easter basket. I wonder if the kids were doing something outside yesterday. My next door neighbors, those girls are so stinking cute. So cute. I just want to just steal them and bring them over to my house. I want to steal them and their dog. They got a cute little beagle too. I'd just steal them. Heck, I'd steal their mom and dad too and bring them over to my house. Anyway, they're just the cutest. Yeah. So pretty stoked about that scale situation. Got my Jesus is my savior. Here, let me aim you down. Billiards is my therapy. I like that. Jesus saved me, and going to play pool saves everybody else from me. I'm just being silly. But anyway, so I got pool tonight. Oh, you guys. I don't know if I showed you yesterday. I think I told you maybe, but I had bought some arm warmers from Amazon. Well, it's so weird. In the mornings, if it's nice outside, it's really cold. Ooh, I need to get gas. I can go 55 miles. I buried me some gas. Anyway, so it gets cold in the mornings, but then as the sun's up, So anyway, I brought arm warmers yesterday. They were white and black, and I forgot I got leg warmers. So, the problem is if I dress for the office, I could wear sweaters and, almost winter clothes. But then when I walk out, I die of a heat stroke. So by keeping the arm warmers, I wore them yesterday, but then in the afternoon I took them off. So I got these cropped pants on, and so I want to be warm too. So I'll wear my leg warmers in the morning and then take them off in the afternoon when I get hot. So yeah, that's my plan. I don't know much else other than I need to get gas. So I think I'll stop and get gas. So, all right, love y'all. Bye. This phone is smaller than my last one, and my case is smaller because I used to be able to lean it. I'm in the work car because I have to run it, or we have to run it every week. Doesn't have to be me, but anyway, so I ain't got nowhere to set y'all. Nope. Anyway, I guess I'll just have to hold you for a minute. Anyway, how you doing? I don't know where I want you at. I'll just hold you right there. Anyway, how you doing? Doing okay? I'm doing okay. I am getting hungry, Jack. It is 10:34. Oh yeah, these are my arm warmers. Gosh, I wish I could set you down. Hang on, let me try something here. If you fall, be careful. Be careful. Don't fall, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Now shoot. Oh, let me try this. Gosh, dog it. All right, we're going to try it down here. So it's just like a leg warmer, You pull it up to your arm, and then it has a thumb if you want to use a thumb. I don't really need that today. So what I have, like I said, it's in white and black. So it keeps my arm warm, and then I don't have to wear a jacket. I don't have Where you at? There you are. I don't have to wear a jacket over my shirt if I like my shirt. So, yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to let you people go. I'm having issues. Hi. How you doing? We're back in our normal routine. Feels so nice outside. I should eat out there, but dadgum, it still looks wet out there. And, you know, I don't really want to sit. I want to sit in water. I got to meet my boss for supervision at 3 hours. I don't want a wet behind when I go see her. So, I told y'all I was thinking about getting a rotisserie chicken the other day. I think I might stop and get one on the drive home today if I can remember. Because I think it would be kind of fun to have that on my supper salad. You know? So, buy a rotisserie chicken and break it up and pull it apart and put some on there. It's so funny. I hate dark or light meat. I hate it. The flavor's great, but so like, gotta dry it. So I will probably, if I don't put it just on the salad, I will, the white meat will have to be on the salad with that moisture of the salad dressing going on it. Totally. Or I could do it in an Alfredo kind of thing. I'm kind of beating my lid off. I don't know if this person's going in or not. Let me pull my door and see. Are they coming in mine? I don't know. I don't want to make somebody not be able to come in. That'd be rude. So we got a burger patty. And I didn't season it when I cooked it. This is... Oh, so I put some... what's that stuff on there? Everything bagel seasoning. Now, I can show you my arms things better. They don't have to go way up. It's hard to get them way up, but because my sleeve just needs to go down over it. And it's kind of cool. I got black and black. So yesterday they were like, I was showing somebody and they're like, well, that even matches. So it was a that pink shirt with the little white sleeves that look kind of cute. Let's see, we got grape ape. Do you anybody remember him? Grape ape. He was a big ape. And I think he was in the era, I think he was a Hanna Brothers character. So I have some ranch seasoning. And what we got in here? Come here, fella. We're going to take a broccoli. We're just going to dip it in there. I'm being nosy. I know that's somebody's car that I work with and know, but I can't tell who it is. But anyway, I'm really, really excited that I realized, I need to add this to my shopping list. Hang on, just hold on, let me do that. Okay, I got it ordered. I will say, wearing black and sitting in the sun, I definitely don't need the arm things. And see, look, I just pull them off like this. And then I can just put them right in my desk drawer. So that's pretty nice. Anyway, I am very, very excited to find this. This is a lower calorie way to have that ranch flavor on my vegetables. You know what I mean? So rather than having to use like a salad dressing or having to use a yogurt or cottage cheese, any kind of creamy something, I'm literally getting the same flavor. Now, it's not the same ooey gooey texture, but So yeah, ranch. Ranch powder seasoning for the win. So I have that 1/3 pound of ground beef, 1/3 pound ground burger patty, whatever I want to say. And then I've got broccoli. It's the same thing that I made for all week. Broccoli, cauliflower, a couple carrots, and some rutabaga sticks. I need to check my mama and see if she did anything with hers. But last one I know, the sun's beating down on my inner thigh. I don't like that. You know, I'll do some things that are a little difficult, but I don't want my inner thigh being hot. Bye. Well, I'm cold. We ain't going for a long walk. I didn't grab my stick. But we're going for just a little stroll. Because look at the clouds today. There's a fluffy one. That's not a very fluffy one. That doesn't look very pretty. That's awful gray up there, ain't it? Let's see what kind. Oh, that's a big one, ain't it? It's funny when I look at it on here with y'all, that looks like a chicken, like a rooster. Like maybe that's the rooster head thing. And then there's the head. And there's the neck. Like, just reminds me of a rooster. What we got that way? Just a couple of, looks like a couple of, I don't know what. But anyway, so, yeah, I'm out here for a little stroll. What's kicking, y'all? It feels beautiful out here. I'm not going to lie. If it was up to me, it's like 8 till 4. I would totally just lay down in this grass. I would. But, you know, ticks. But I can't. Oh, I saw my boss. So now I could sit in the grass. And I wouldn't have to worry about having a wet butt. Although I have pool tonight. So I don't want to have a wet butt at pool. But I'll be going home in 30 minutes. So I could change my britches. Here you go. I'll let you see my face. So that way you know I'm really walking. It's me walking. It's not somebody else walking. It's me. It's Ernest T. So how's your day going? My day's going. I ate good. I did my things. I know a lot of times people have told me I could not eat that same thing all the time. I hear you. But I've watched some different like weightlifters and stuff that are trying to like improve their structure and stuff. And what they say is they'll say, people ask us, do you like chicken or rice every day? And they're like, no, I don't. But I like the results. So I'm kind of in that same boat. But although I do like salads and I do like my ground beef, but the results, I'm not so sad about either. So it's kind of like, well, okay, I could suck it up and eat this every day. And as my scale keeps on moving like it's doing, I'm okay. I'm on board with that. So anyway, it's kind of like, well, you kind of got to decide. That's a heavy decision, Person has to decide, okay, well, if I at least semi-like something, now you don't want to eat something that's going to make you choke to death. We had to swap arms. That one's tired. Anyway, you don't want to eat something that makes you choke to death. But, when you lock in and you're eating those same foods every single day and that scale's moving, it kind of gives you that incentive to keep eating those same foods. So it's definitely, a person's got to make that decision. And so, but I will say that eating carnivore for, the first 2 years really locked me in, because then I didn't crave all the things. So it is a benefit I have right now. But yeah, and I genuinely enjoy the foods that I eat, and I get variety, and I'm going shopping tomorrow. Well, no, Saturday. So I'm getting them more variety. I'm going to try that chayote, anyway, the squash, chayote squash. I'm going to try that. I think that'll be fun. Could put that in my salad, be a different flavor, texture. So anyway, all right, goodbye. It's pool night. Really quick, this is what I'll take to pool with me. I took 3 last time and only ate 1. So the rutabaga, and I ate 1 beef stick last time, but I'll take 2. And now I'll show you what I am going to eat. First off, let's take a moment to appreciate all these pretty full colors. The meat I have in here is the Terri-L's brand, and it is the, oh shoot, a monkey. Hang on, I'll remember it whenever I get you all plugged up here. It's that spicy and dewy. It's the Terri-L's brand and dewy sausage. It's good. It's kind of high and it's kind of expensive on the calorie side. And then I have some cabbage. I'm starting to run low on my vegetables because I go shopping Saturday. So I have some cabbage, some red onions, some yellow onions, and the last of that pepper that my mama sent me home from her church. Oh, and some bacon pieces and my salad dressing. So this is what I'm eating as my main. I am not eating a creamy. I don't know, I'm just not in the mood. So I'm not eating a creamy. I'm listening to a true crime. It's a 2-part series. I listened to 1 part yesterday and 1 today at work. But I'm finishing it up right now. Way too runny. But this is one of my frozen gelatins. It's been in my refrigerator. It's all right. So here's the texture. Since it's been in my refrigerator. Oh, shoot, a monkey. So I'm going to drink it. So that's going to be my after meal dessert. But yeah, so I have cabbage, salad, and this frozen gelatin, unfrozen gelatin. And that's what I'm having. Remember, guys, you can do hard things. I believe in you. I know that you can do it because I know where I was when I started. So if you're just starting, feel free to ask me questions, but also look at the playlists on my channel because they're based on how I've been eating at various times. So yeah, I love y'all and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, yay!